S91 RECORDS.
Yo, daddy, a dedication this, you know. Now, when we all at school, putting them out the road, you know, daddy. Here we are going now. Yo! Me not see no boy fi read like me. Me not see no boy fi spell like me. Me not see no boy bright like me. Maths and me English and me biology. Boom! Gully Bop no R-A-M-P. Boom! Gully Bop no J-O-K-E. Boom! Which boy want T.E.S.T? Cheap up a boy and must him B-E-T. Boom! I make the run go F-R-E-T. Boom! Call him mommy and him D-A-D. Boom! Call him passy him G-A-N-G. Come back and I go like them is B-A-D. Boom! That is what get me so M-A-D. What? Run a me up me S-L-U-G. Boom! Come back and fire so me say H-O-T. Just like the cover of the K-I-D. Body by 1 and body by 2 kilo N-E. Me no see nobody boy a bright like me. Me no see nobody figure spell like me. Right along say Gully Bop me no easy. Do the second girl and name is B-E-V. The one I broke up on the T-O-P. Me go check the girl that's in a G-H-T. Rip through the window, guess what did me see? Looking in the nozzle of a S-L-U-G. Who all the young was a D-A-D. Say Gully let me one go C-H-I-L-D. One old boy you watch it O-K-E. Me and the man know she L-O-V-E. Which bar she love me in a B-E-D. That's him for me a the big bad bully. Me no see nobody figure spell like me. Boom! Match on me English and me biology. Them can't test me from me technology. Oh, them power me from my geography. Wickedest thing from social study. A-B-I-L-I-T-Y ability. No say Gully Bop me have that plenty. Have ability for brush up anybody. I coulda bounty ninja or the one squiddly. B-A-N-Q-U-E-T a banquet. That a big piece and everybody go a eat. Left the banquet you bound to go to toilet. That's him for me instead of fit. L-A-R-K-E-Y that a larky. That them used to call me when me was a baby. Now me a big man, them a call me Gully. Me no see nobody boy you fi spell like me. M-O-N-K-E-Y that a monkey. That fever ninja man and it don't favor me. D-O-N-K-E-Y that a donkey. That the old man ride down the country. Boom! Me no see no boy fi spell like me.